Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Hulu error code RUNUNK13. Alright, let's begin. First, navigate to the Google Play Store on your device and check for any available updates for the Hulu app to ensure you are running the latest version. Once the update is complete, exit the store and open your device settings menu. From there, scroll down until you find the Apps or Application Manager section and open it. Locate Hulu from the list of installed applications and select it. Inside the app settings, tap on Storage. You will then need to select the options to clear cache and clear data. This process effectively resets the application's temporary files and resolves the playback error. Ensure your internet connection is stable before restarting the app to confirm the fix. So that's basically how you can fix Hulu error code RUNUNK13. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.